Welcome back to the Rustic Planters, where we turn everyday outdoor spaces into stunning garden escapes. Today, we're diving into the world of gravel and rock front yard designs, where simplicity meets sophistication and low maintenance meets high impact. If you're dreaming of a front yard that feels modern, calm, and effortlessly stylish, you're in the right place. Gravel and rock gardens aren't just about aesthetics. They're a practical solution for homeowners looking to conserve water, reduce upkeep, and still create a visually striking entrance. With the right design choices, even the simplest materials can transform your space into a masterpiece. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Rustic Planters, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite garden style. Let's bring minimalist elegance right to your doorstep. Minimalism in landscaping is all about intention. Every stone, every plant, every line has a purpose. Gravel and rock gardens embrace this philosophy by removing clutter and highlighting clean, structured beauty. The result is a serene, balanced space that feels both modern and timeless. By limiting the palette of materials and colors, you allow textures and shapes to shine. Smooth pebbles, rugged stones, and carefully placed greenery create a layered look without overwhelming the senses. It's simplicity that speaks volumes. This approach is especially effective in front yards, where first impressions matter. A minimalist rock garden can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal while maintaining a sense of calm and order. Not all gravel is created equal. From fine pea gravel to chunky river rocks, each type brings a different texture and feel to your design. Choosing the right combination is key to achieving that polished, cohesive look. Color also plays a crucial role. Neutral tones like gray, beige, and white create a modern aesthetic, while darker stones add contrast and drama. Mixing tones strategically can help define pathways and highlight focal points. Think of your gravel and stones as the foundation of your design. When chosen thoughtfully, they set the stage for everything else and ensure your garden feels intentional and harmonious. A successful rock garden isn't flat, it's dynamic and layered. By varying the size and placement of stones, you can create depth and visual interest that draws the eye across the space. Start with larger rocks as anchors, then fill in with medium stones and gravel. This creates a natural flow and prevents the design from feeling too uniform or artificial. Layering also allows you to guide movement through the yard, subtly directing visitors toward your entrance while showcasing different elements along the way. Gravel gardens truly come to life when paired with the right plants. Drought-tolerant varieties like succulents, ornamental grasses, and hardy shrubs thrive in these environments and add a touch of greenery without high maintenance. Strategic planting is key. Group plants in clusters rather than scattering them randomly. This creates visual impact and keeps the design clean and organized. The contrast between soft plant forms and hard stone textures adds balance, making your garden feel both structured and inviting. Pathways are more than functional. They're a design feature that can elevate your entire front yard. Using stepping stones set in gravel creates a modern, elegant walkway that feels intentional and stylish. Straight lines offer a clean, contemporary look, while gently curved paths add a sense of movement and softness. Choose a style that complements your home's architecture. Well-designed pathways not only guide visitors, but also break up large gravel areas, adding structure and visual rhythm to your garden. Every great garden needs a focal point, a feature that draws attention and anchors the design. In a rock garden, this could be a large statement boulder, a sculptural plant, or even a minimalist water feature. Focal points should feel intentional, not overwhelming. The goal is to enhance the design, not dominate it. Placement is everything. Position your focal element where it naturally catches the eye. This single feature can transform your garden from simple to stunning, giving it personality and a sense of purpose. Don't let your garden disappear after sunset. Thoughtful lighting can highlight textures, create shadows, and bring your rock garden to life at night. Low-profile LED lights along pathways or subtle uplighting for plants and stones can create a warm, inviting ambience without overpowering the minimalist design. Lighting adds another layer of sophistication, ensuring your front yard looks just as beautiful in the evening as it does during the day. One of the biggest advantages of gravel and rock gardens is their low maintenance. With fewer plants and no lawn to mow, upkeep becomes quick and manageable. Regularly removing debris and occasionally refreshing gravel will keep your garden looking clean and polished. Weed barriers can also help minimize unwanted growth. This simplicity makes rock gardens perfect for busy homeowners who want beauty without the burden of constant care. Gravel and rock gardens prove that less truly can be more. With thoughtful design, smart material choices, and a touch of creativity, you can create a front yard that's both elegant and practical. We hope this video inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space and embrace the beauty of minimalist landscaping. Don't forget to subscribe to the Rustic Planters, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas and plans. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we continue exploring creative ways to make your garden truly unforgettable.